Welcome to Mini Milestones. If you're a new mom, you know how quickly your baby grows and changes. Every little moment feels special. But today, we'll talk about some of the most important mini milestones you should look forward to in your baby's first year. These are the small victories that bring the biggest joy. Around 6 to 8 weeks, babies usually give their very first real smile. Not the sleepy ones you see in the beginning, but a smile that actually responds to you. For every mom, this is one of the most heartwarming moments. It's your baby's way of saying, "I know you, I feel safe, and I'm happy." By 4 months, most babies learn to roll over. This might sound small, but it's a huge sign of growing strength and independence. Moms often describe this milestone as the moment they realize their baby is really starting to explore the world. Around 6 months, babies begin to sit without support. It's like they suddenly look more grown up, and you can see their curiosity about everything around them. This milestone also makes playtime much more fun. Introducing solid food at about 6 months is another big step. That first spoonful of mashed banana or cereal is usually hilarious and messy. But it's also the beginning of your baby's food journey. Moms love this stage because it opens up so many bonding experiences. Hearing your baby say mama or dada for the first time, nothing compares to that. Most babies start babbling around 7 to 8 months. And by the first year, you might hear their first clear word. It's emotional, funny, and unforgettable all at once. The milestone every parent waits for those first little steps. Around 12 months, some babies may start walking, while others take a little longer. Don't rush it. When it happens, record it, because it's one of the most precious memories of all. Every baby is unique, and every journey is different. Don't worry if your child hits a milestone earlier or later than others. What matters most is the love, care, and encouragement you give along the way. Which milestone are you most excited about with your little one? Share in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more baby and parenting tips right here on Mini Milestones.